Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, drawing the free body diagram of wedge C with wedge B. So, drawing the free body diagram of wedge C with wedge B very carefully and showing all the forces that are acting on it with the help of the given data. So, this is point C and here it is 12 kilonewton. This is F and this angle is 15 degree. Now going further, we can write this as 15 degree angle and this is N. Now here we have F and this is N. Now going forward, calculating the normal reaction between wedge C and wedge B. So summation of Fy is equal to 0 or 2n cos 15 minus 2 under bracket F sin 15 minus 12,000 is equal to 0. So 2n cos 15 minus 2 into mu s n sin 15 degree minus 12,000 is equal to 0. On going forward, we can write mu s is equal to coefficient of friction between wedge B and C. N is equal to normal reaction and F is equal to frictional force between wedge B and C. Now going forward, 2n cos 15 degree minus 2 into 0.2n sin 15 degree minus 12,000 is equal to 0. On solving, we can get the value of n as 6563.39 Newton. Now, as we know, F is equal to mu s n. Putting the value of mu and n here, we get F is equal to 1312.678 Newton. Now going forward, we will draw the free body diagram for wedge B. So drawing the free body diagram of the wedge B with the help of the given data in the problem. This is T and this is wedge B, and here this is F and this angle is 15 degree. This is an at angle 15 degree and this is N dash and here it is F dash. Now going forward, writing equilibrium of forces in y directions and solving it. So summation of Fy is equal to 0 or n dash plus F sin 15 degree minus n cos 15 degree is equal to 0 or n dash plus mu s n sin 15 degree minus n cos 15 degree is equal to 0. So n dash is equal to normal reaction between wedge and screw. So we have n dash plus 0.2 into 6563.39 sin 15 minus 6563.39 cos 15 is equal to 0. On solving, we get n dash is equal to 6000 Newton. Now calculating summation of Fx is equal to 0. So we can write it as W minus F dash minus F cos 15 degree minus N sin 15 degree is equal to 0. So going forward, we can write W minus mu s n dash minus F cos 15 degree minus N sin 15 degree is equal to 0. So W minus 0.2 into 6000 minus 1312.678 cos 15 degree minus 6563 sin 15 degree is equal to 0. So going forward, we can write on solving, we will get W is equal to 4166.68 Newton. We just solved the upper equation. Now screw lead angle is equal to theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse L by 2 pi r. Now we can get the value of theta by putting the value of L and R in this equation. So theta is coming as 5.45 degree. Now going ahead, friction angle is equal to phi, on phi is equal to tan inverse mu s dash. So putting the value of mu s dash here, we get phi is equal to 8.53 degree. Now going ahead and writing moment of force required to lift the wedge with screw shaft. So M is equal to 2 into WR tan phi plus theta. So putting the value of WR phi plus theta, we will get the value of M here. So M is coming as 25933.132 Newton meter. Now going ahead and writing M is equal to P into L. So 25933.132 is equal to P into 250. So P is coming as 103.75 Newton.